Hello, I'm Deborah McGrath, Senior Technical Product Marketing Manager at ServiceNow. In this 5-minute video, I'll be demonstrating ServiceNow scenario planning. For portfolio managers, selecting the right project investments is one of their most important responsibilities, and having the flexibility to model a variety of project portfolio scenarios is also key to enabling enterprise agility. Scenario planning allows portfolio managers to simulate and compare multiple project portfolio scenarios. It leverages existing ServiceNow information about resources, budget, and business goals so they can make more accurate decisions, and it lets them easily approve the scenario that's best aligned to their enterprise strategies. They can then continuously track the portfolio and even replan as necessary. We'll see the demo from the perspective of a portfolio manager, Megan Burke. It used to be very challenging for Megan to look strategically at her entire project portfolio all in one place in order to prioritize her organization's investment in the context of resources, budget, and maximum value to the business, and then pivot to accommodate change. It was even more difficult to do that while considering a wide variety of possible future conditions, each with different budgets, available resources, and business strategies. But with Portfolio Workbench scenario planning, Megan is easily able to simulate multiple investment scenarios and approve the best one. Let's take a look. We're logged in as Megan to Portfolio Workbench scenario planning. Scenario planning allows Megan to create different scenarios, confirm plans, and even replan whenever unexpected change occurs. In this case, Megan is creating multiple scenarios to show how different sets of projects can support their various business strategies, such as growing the business and improving the bottom line. The executive team wants to prioritize projects focused on enhancing customer experience, so she'll create another scenario aligned to this business strategy. To save time, she'll automatically copy the projects included in the confirmed fiscal year 20 plan into this new scenario, and then she saves the scenario. Megan can easily select and deselect desired projects. To help her with her analysis, she also quickly sorts the projects by score to view them from highest to lowest score. She also wants to consider the projects by their rank and strategic alignment, so she'll quickly add those columns to the form and expand the view to show that detail. By default, Rank by Score positions demands and projects based on system-generated scores, but she can also rank by visual sort and then manually rank demands and projects to prioritize them for approval and execution. She'll manually rank the 3 projects aligned to delighting customers as 1, 2, and 3. As she changes the rank of each project, the ranks of the other projects or demands adjust automatically. Last, she sorts the list by rank in ascending order so she can see the highest ranked investments at the beginning of the list. Each scenario can have a different set of projects as well as different budget amounts. Now that the projects and demands in her new scenario are ranked as desired, Megan will select the investments for this scenario up to the $10 million budget limit. If Megan exceeds the budget threshold, she simply deselects a lower-ranked project. As she makes her selections, the details for the scenario are automatically updated and displayed on the right, including total spend, number of investments, financial benefit, unaligned projects, overallocated groups, as well as any amounts left on the table by actual spend from projects that would not continue. She can also track whether resources would be over or underallocated. If resources were overallocated, they would be displayed in red. Fortunately, that's not the case here. Now Megan will compare the scenarios. She can easily assess the critical information for each, and then approve the best scenario by clicking the Override button. And it's just as easy for Megan to replan. For example, if her portfolio budget is cut, her projects may need to continue but with reduced funding. Megan simply edits the target amount for her CapEx target to fit the reduced budget. A red indicator pops up warning that the budget cost now exceeds the target cost. So Megan must reduce the target cost for her scenario by removing one or more projects or reducing project costs. She decides to remove the 10th ranked Gray HR integration project. Next, she'll add the desired columns to see proposed OpEx and CapEx fields, and decreases the proposed CapEx amount for the Upgrade Customer Apps project to bring the portfolio scenario within the new budget. Because she's leveraging existing ServiceNow application data about strategies, investment funding, and available strategic and operational resources, Megan is confident she's making the most accurate decisions. When a project portfolio scenario is approved and executed, Megan clicks Track to view the ongoing progress of her portfolio projects. You just saw how ServiceNow scenario planning enables portfolio managers to create multiple project portfolio scenarios by prioritizing and selecting projects and demands, compare scenarios looking at cost, benefit, strategic alignment, and resource utilization in order to make more accurate decisions, and approve and track the scenario that's best aligned to their business strategy. For additional information, visit servicenow.com/ITBM.